Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp update issue 2023. If you're experiencing issue with updating WhatsApp in 2023, you can try the following steps to resolve the problem. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve temporary issues with the app updates. Or you could try clearing the app cache and the data. Press the WhatsApp like this, go to the app information and select the storage and cache over here. In the bottom, there's a clear cache option. Tap on that. And this can sometimes fix issues with the app updates on Android device as well. Or you could also try check for the updates. Go to the Play Store and in the top there's a search bar. Tap there and look out for the WhatsApp app from here and open it. And ensure that your device has enough storage space available. If your device is running low on storage, it can cause issue with app updates. And if none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. And note that this will delete all chat history, so make sure to back up your chats before proceeding. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the WhatsApp update issue and update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix WhatsApp update issue 2023. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.